What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for PayPal holdings with the ticker symbol PYPL. I will first go over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So we can do a market structure update for PayPal, and it looks like it's breaking out towards the upside, and I'll go over the reasons why. So if I put a horizontal line at this key level, you can see that PayPal was finding support in the past from this level before it gapped down and broke out, and then price pulled back to that level and started trading near it. It could not go any lower, and then price broke out towards the upside now. So this looks pretty good for higher prices, and let's go over the reasons why it broke out towards the upside. So there was a measure move right over here. There was one leg down. If I go and clone this, you can see the second leg started right about here in August 2022. And the market moves in attempts. So this was the first attempt down to reach the level. It bounced off the 67 level, and this was the second attempt to reach the measurement target. So this one looked like it was going to go, but it stopped at the $59 level and then reversed up. So why did it do that? Because the downtrend was pretty weak, and you can see that in the short term the measure move was already met. So let me go and show you guys that right now. So let me go and erase this. So in the short term, there was this measure move already met. So that's one leg down right there. So that's one leg right here. All this is one drop. And the second leg started right here. Measure move met, which will lead to a potential bounce. And also, like I said before, the downtrend was weak because price was previously inside of this downtrend channel. Then it broke the structure right over here. And then it made two legs down, which is textbook trend reversing stuff, or trend coming to an end, and that's exactly what's happening. So there wasn't a high likelihood for prices to continue lower. It was definitely there, but with everything else on the chart, there was a good chance the price is breaking out of this level and filling in the gap. So now, since we're out of this level and we're moving higher, I would say the $75 target would come into play, and then probably the high 70s to stop out any shorts who have the stop losses over here. And it looks like prices are inside of an uptrend now, making higher highs, higher lows. So looks like we could be seeing a correction anytime now, but it doesn't have to happen right now. And since we had two legs up followed by a two-legged correction, the first two legs up would be one leg on a higher time frame, and that would be targeting the 76 level. So $76 target could come into play before we see a correction. Meaning we just go up from here right now to it, or we could see maybe a pullback and then higher prices. Either way, you can do a couple of things, but the context is for higher prices. So it's looking pretty good because we see a failure from the sellers to reach the measure move target. If a measure move target is not reached and we see it confirmed, like we're getting right now, then it can reverse strongly in the opposite direction. So these tech stocks are still looking pretty bullish. I'm not sure why everyone is still thinking, we're going to see another crash or something like that. It doesn't look like it. It looks like, the trend is coming to an end for the bears, and we could be seeing a trend change fairly shortly. I would say it's a little too early to call, but it's definitely leaning more towards the bullish side. So here was the key level once again. $70 level was a very strong level in the past. It became a strong level once again in the short term, in the near term. Now price had a large drop down. And why am I saying we're seeing a trend change? Because we saw a sharp move down right to this key level, and normally we see when we get a break of the channel, we see two legs down. So there was a little break over here, but that wasn't convincing enough, and the market just created a larger break and two legs down to be more convincing. So there was a break right here, one leg down, two legs down. This was the channel right over here. Break of it, two legs down also, like I said on the daily chart. Now we are reversing up. So this looks like a strong move higher. It looks like it's taking back this entire drop that occurred on early May. So this looks pretty good. Is there a potential wider channel in play? You could say that. There definitely is a wider channel in play, but this isn't like the main channel. The main channel was the drop right over here in the bear market. So this entire drop from 2021 to 2022 was the actual channel or the trend. This is just like the finishing off trend, so it doesn't have to play out normally like a regular trend. Meaning if we get a break of this, we're probably not going to see two legs down or a new low, because this is the aftermath of the large drop down. So that's what it looks like it's playing out to be. Looks like a trend reversal. If we get back above this level, which we already have, and we hold it, meaning we see, you know, 2 tests of it for support, or if we see a massive move up and we see a pullback that can't even reach it, you know, that's confirmation that this uptrend has started, and we can see much higher prices. So PayPal looking pretty good for the long term, short, medium, and long term as of right now. That's all I have for PayPal this week, Saturday, and I'll give you guys an update next week, Saturday. And again, I get a lot of requests for stock analysis. So if you guys have a specific chart request and you want it done, you can leave a donation. Video descriptions shows more details about that, or you can join my membership where you can get 4 stock requests every month. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time. The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now.